Adam and I going to check on the bees for the third week. Come here, Adam. Adam, come here. Bees are there. Come, Adam. They look active and nice. Yep, they're happy. And Adam is sitting watching them. We opened it. They look organized. They're doing them some food dancing. You see it? See that dance, Sarah? That bee is dancing.
Not Sarah.
I mean Adam. See? See that group of bees are dancing. Do you know what that means?
Yeah.
I found food. I found food. Follow me. And we're gonna look. And she flew. See? She's gonna fly away and they will follow her. She's doing some food dance. See it? See, they're finding lots of food. Another dance. See? I don't know. Lots of broods. We're looking for the queen, Adam. Looking for the queen. You see the queen?
No.
I'm looking for her. So we're looking for the queen, Adam. Looking for the queen. Adam. We found the queen. She's here with the blue dot. See, Adam? She's happy.
I cannot.
You saw it just now.
I cannot
See,
see
see?
on the.
See here?
Yeah.
Here. See the bees around her? See, Adam? Yay! Adam saw the queen. Here, here, here. Here, see it?
Yeah.
With the blue dot. She's walking around. She's telling them, work hard, girls. Hurry up. See the queen? Wow. Good. And the bees are following her rules. She's the queen. We close down on them. Come here, Adam. Bring me that thing.
I got it.
Everything looks fine. Making babies. The queen is active. See you in 2 weeks now.